Today we're taking a look at the Supreme Tradition 12-ounce garlic and pepper seasoning, a versatile blend that has become one of our go-to seasonings in the kitchen and on the grill. One of the things we love about this seasoning is its balance. The garlic and pepper work together to enhance the natural flavor of the meat without overpowering it. It's a simple yet effective blend that lets the main ingredients shine. Recently we used this seasoning on pork chops we prepped for the charcoal grill. We gave the chops a generous coating, let them sit while the coals heated up, and grilled them to perfection. The seasoning added a savory kick that paired beautifully with the smoky flavor from the grill. Beyond grilling, this seasoning is incredibly versatile. We've tried it on roasted vegetables, chicken, and even sprinkled it on some baked potatoes. It's a great all-around seasoning for everyday cooking. The packaging is very convenient too. The shaker top makes it easy to control how much seasoning you're adding, whether you're going for a light sprinkle or a bold coating. Overall, we're impressed by the flavor, versatility, and ease of use. If you enjoy grilling or experimenting with simple, delicious flavors, this is a seasoning worth having in your pantry.